Hi, in today's lesson we're going to be learning about table of values and what that means, understanding data point entries and understanding the relationship between the 2 points of data. Okay, so first we'll take a look at this table up here. We can see that we have 0, 0, 2, and 12, 5 and 30, 18, 108, and 70, and a missing number. Okay, our goal is to solve what the relationship is between the pairs of numbers, as well as find this missing data point. Okay, so the tools that we have are adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. We have to figure out what the relationship is happening here, because once we figure that out, we can apply it to 70 and get our answer. Okay, so 2 and 12 I'm going to look at, because 0 and 0 it's hard to figure out what anything is. But 2 and 12, what is happening? 5 and 30, what is happening? So we have to understand not only a relationship, but a pattern that's happening, because the relationship has to be applied to every number pair. Okay, so I'm going to look at this and say, what is happening? 2 and 12. I can tell that 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So I'm going to start there and just take a good guess. Okay, so let's multiply it by 6. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. That works. Let's see if it works over here. 0 multiplied by 6 is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. Hey, that one worked and that one worked. Multiplied by 6, multiplied by 6, and this one we multiplied it by 6 as well. Okay, let's try it with our last one. 18 multiplied by 6. It also works. It turns out 108. Now, you can use any kind of multiplication strategy you have already learned to figure that one out. But now, all we have to do is plug in that equation to solve this last data point entry. Okay, so 70 multiplied by 6. Well, I know 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And then I could just add that 0. That's a good math strategy. So 420 is my answer. I'm going to use my blue marker here. 420. Excellent. I have solved that data point entry. Great. Let's look at another table and see how this works. Okay, so this one down here, we can see the pairs. We have 0 and 0 again, 1 and 10, 2 and 20, 3 and 30, and 4 and a mystery one. Now, in this one, it seems obvious what this last number is, okay? 10, 20, 30, and we take a look at the top where it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is likely going to be 40, okay? But that's good. But we need to understand what we actually did there, okay? What is the relationship? 1 multiplied or adding what equals 10? We're actually multiplying by 10 to get 10. 2 multiplied by 10 gives us 20. 3 multiplied by 10, okay? So we can see our relationship here is multiplying by 10. And that's important because I could give you any data point entry next to here and we can figure it out. This could be the number 72 now. And now we know the relationship. Our answer is going to be 720. Okay? So that's how that works. Finding the relationship is the most important thing in these questions. Let's take a look at another one up here. Okay? So 0 and 18, 1 and 19, 2 and 20, 3 and 21, and then it jumps to 15. Oh boy. Okay? So I know it's going up. I'm not going to be dividing and I'm not going to be subtracting. And it's going up by 1. I can tell there's a bit of a pattern there. Okay? So it's going up by 1. So let's look at 0. 0 is very curious. So I have 18. So I know 18 is going to be somewhere in my equation already. So 18, and I can tell it's not multiplying by anything because it's not going up exponentially like any of these. Likely it's going to be adding. So I'm going to use my reasoning skills to figure that out. So adding. What is it adding by? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's adding by 1 off the start here. So let's see. 18 plus 0 would be 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Oh, maybe the relationship is 18 plus whatever value is up here. Okay, so I have figured out my relationship. And this is how we actually show this. 18 plus x, okay? And I'll show this with the red marker. So 0 plus 18, 1 plus 18, 2 plus 18. So see, that's our relationship. So we write that with 18 plus x, okay? And x is whatever this value is. Kind of an intro to algebra, okay? Now that we know the relationship, we can figure out this. So the number is 15, or x is 15. So 18 plus 15, okay? Let's do that math. 18 plus 15. I'm going to drop those down. That's going to give me 20. Drop the 8 and the 5 down. That's going to give me 13. 20 plus 13 is 33. All right. Our answer up here is 33. Okay. Now, you can do the adding strategy with whatever strategy you've learned. There's some light there. Okay. So that is table of values and understanding the relationship between two data point